Oh, don't mind me. I'm just enjoying some peace and quiet at the villages of Copperstone in Mebane, North Carolina. Hi, I'm Kay Thompson with Team Armand at EXP Realty, and our team is so happy to present our new listing at 1005 Gold Circle in Mebane, North Carolina. This gorgeous townhome features 3 bedrooms and 2 full bathrooms with a 2-car garage. So if you're looking to get rid of all the hustle and bustle in your life, this townhome is the perfect opportunity for you. Let's go inside and take a look. Favorite feature about this home is the ranch style floor plan that offers the single level living. It also has gorgeous gleaming hardwood floors, and the primary bedroom has 2 walk-in closets and its own patio. Wow, that peaceful vibe just keeps going throughout the house into the backyard. And on top of that, the Homeowners Association does all the landscaping for you here. If you're interested in quieting your lifestyle down, give me a call for a showing at 919-802-2181. I'm Kay Thompson with Team Armand and EXP Realty, and all you've got to do is pick up that phone and let's talk.